What's up guys, Chigz here from Chigz Tech Reviews. So I guess it took a long time to get here, but it's finally here. Now these are the latest Xiaomi Mi TV Sticks. It's supposed to be an official Google certified product and it's running Android tvOS. Now why do I have two? Well, one I bought myself because I was really excited as soon as they announced it. And one was sent to me directly from Xiaomi. But guess what? They both arrived at exactly the same time. And they arrived late, but it doesn't matter. So this one I'll just chuck on that side. This is the one we're going to play with. So let's get this box open, shall we? So yeah, I'm actually really excited to see how this one performs. Now, we will be fully testing this stick out to make sure it is what it claims to be. So will we get official Netflix HD or will it be a 480p affair? We shall certainly find out very soon. So in the box, you've got the actual TV stick. Reminds me a lot of the Fire TV Stick. A micro USB cable, USB power brick, user manuals, and a remote control. Now, I believe this is a Bluetooth remote powered by two AAA batteries, which are not included in the box. And you can see that this remote has a Google Assistant button, dedicated Netflix and Amazon Prime button with volume control. So it will be interesting to see how it performs. So the Mi TV Stick is powered by a mystery quad-core A53 CPU. You've got the Mali 450, which means this is a proper underpowered piece of technology. Certainly not 2020 standard, not even 2019 standard. It looks like we're going back to 2017 with this one. But let's keep going. You've got 1 gig of DDR3 RAM, 8 gigs of internal storage, dual band Wi-Fi AC. There is no Ethernet port, obviously. You've got built-in Bluetooth 4.2. This is running official Android tvOS version 9. You've got built-in Chromecast, built-in Google Assistant, supports a maximum of 1080p at 60 frames per second, supports HDMI version 2.0A, also supports Dolby Audio, DTS, and 5.1 surround sound. Now, the TV stick itself has a single micro USB charging port, nothing on the back, nothing on the side, and your standard HDMI connection. So you basically plug this into the back of your TV. It will work on any TV or monitor as long as you have an HDMI port, and give it some micro USB power. I want to do a quick comparison, so I'm bringing in the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the 4K version. So side by side, you can see it's actually much smaller than the Fire TV Stick. So more or less similar concept and design, but the Fire TV Stick supports 4K and the Mi TV Stick supports full HD. Now, they both got different OSs. The Fire TV Stick is running Fire tvOS and the Mi TV Stick is running Google's Android tvOS. So without any further ado, I'm going to get this all hooked up to my TV and capture card, and we are going to find out exactly how good Mi TV Stick really is. I'll be right back. So first of all, I ran a boot up speed test, and this TV stick took exactly 1 minute and 1 second to fully load the home screen from a cold start. And here is the home screen. You have Google's Android tvOS. This is version 9, so search icons are at the top left and local time and settings on your right. First row of icons, you will find your apps and a row of shortcuts which you can customize by adding and removing your favorite apps, and you can also arrange them in the order you like. If you select the app drawer, you will see all the apps on the system, and there's not much to begin with. But you do have access to the Google Play Store, so you can download more apps and games. And please note, this is not the full version of the Play Store, it's the condensed Android TV version. Thereafter, we have a featured section from Google Play showing you some popular apps that you can download. And below that, we have some Prime Now recommendations on what you could watch next. And also, you can customize the home screen channels to suit your own needs. Now, if we go over to the main system settings, go to device preferences and check out the system storage info, you will see that this box has 8 gigs of internal storage, from which you have 4.9 gigs free to use. And if we have a quick look in about, you can see that we are running Android tvOS version 9 Pie. Now this TV stick is apparently official Android tvOS, which means Chromecast should work absolutely fine. So I'm going to try casting one of my own YouTube videos directly from my iPhone, and if Chromecast works, that means we have ourselves an official Android tvOS. Inside the box, you will find a user manual and quick start guide, an HDMI cable. So as you guys just saw, Chromecast is working absolutely fine. Now let's move on to YouTube, and you can stream a maximum of 1080p at 60 frames per second on YouTube.
Newspapers, TV show, movie deals.
So you're Keith Knight?
I am.
It's funny, I didn't think you...
All you need is to want it.
So that brings us to the Netflix test, and the pre-installed Netflix does successfully stream at full HD quality, which is great. And here are the test patterns showing you the same. Now the same applies to Amazon Prime Video and Disney Plus. You can stream a maximum 1080p resolution on all of those streaming apps too. So that was the gist of your streaming. Let's move on to some gaming now, beginning with some basic games. So let's begin with Crossy Roads. Now for you advanced users, DRM info shows Google Widevine level 1, and here is CPU Z, where you can check out the clock speeds, and you can see we're running the Mali 450. This box is running Android 9 and does not come rooted as standard. And here are the results of the internal disk speed test. We achieved read speeds of 114 megabytes per second and write speeds of 45 megabytes per second, so quite a slow internal storage speed. Now the Wi-Fi speeds were actually pretty good. We achieved download speeds of 53 megabits per second and upload speeds of 17.5 megabits per second. So we achieved more or less our top speed we get in this office. So that brings us to our benchmarks, beginning with Geekbench multi-score of 1490, and unfortunately when running the Antutu benchmark test it would keep failing. It would literally crash from halfway, so I couldn't complete an Antutu benchmark test. But nevertheless, let's check out the ranking of this TV box and see how it ranks in our top performing Android TV box chart of 2020, showing you the latest TV boxes and seeing how they compare with each other. So as you can see, the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick has been ranked position 34, taking over the bottom position of this chart. Now you can view the full versions of all my charts online at chigztech.com and read them at your leisure. So there you have it guys, that was the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. Okay, I'm actually quite surprised. This TV stick was supposed to be amazing. I was expecting specs and performance to match at least the Fire TV Stick Full HD version. Unfortunately, it looks like Xiaomi made a big mistake with this one. It's underpowered, underperforms, it's slow and lags throughout my tests. Opening and closing apps, playing games, streaming videos, you will experience lag in everything. Now to call this a terrible product is an absolute understatement. And I kind of understand why this product was delayed in reaching my hands, because I guess Xiaomi knows about my honesty and my charts. Now this product is a genuine letdown. A company like Xiaomi to release a TV stick which is slower than anything you can buy right now in 2020. In fact, the specifications and performance is more like a 2016 product, and even then it's too slow. If they just added 1 more gig of RAM extra, then this TV stick could have operated slightly smoother. But not only do you have only 1 gig of RAM, you also have a very slow processor to go with it, which clocks at only 1.2 GHz. And to make it even slower, they went and put in a very slow internal storage. So it looks like all the parts they have sourced are old and possibly very cheap. I would actually be surprised if any reviewer out there recommends this product. I personally have not watched anyone's review yet, as I wanted to give my honest opinion first. Then I go and see what the others are saying. This is by far the most terrible TV stick I have ever used. The Amazon Fire TV Stick, both 4K and standard version, kills this product in performance and features. The Fire TV Stick is a Ferrari in comparison to the Mi TV Stick. Also, the old Xiaomi box performs much better than this new Mi TV Stick. Yes, you have official Android TV OS, but what's the point if it's going to be a laggy experience throughout? Just streaming videos on YouTube causes the TV Stick to get very hot. So this tells me that this product is not going to last very long. It's going to overheat and it's going to basically get damaged. Now, I'm also quite surprised to see a flash sale right now. They are flogging these off at £29. Bottom line, don't buy it. Save your money. Get a Fire TV Stick instead. If you did buy it, reverse your payment. Claim your money back. This product will definitely upset you. Now, I'm not usually so harsh. Had this been a lesser brand, I may not have been as passionate about it. It's the fact that this is one of the biggest companies in the world right now. Xiaomi, and I don't care how you pronounce it, they basically took the mick with this one. I was waiting for a new official Google Android TV box or TV stick from this brand, and they gave us this. I hope you found the video useful, and I hope you did not buy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.